Okay, so to get started with a console application in Visual Studio 2019, we are first going to see this welcome window that has any recent projects that you may have open. We're going to start with creating a new project over here on the side. And so Visual Studio works on a template basis. So project templates are basically starter projects for all of the different types of applications that you might want to make. So you can see that there's a lot of different things in here. There's Android apps, there's class libraries, there's things called Blazor, which I get it. You don't know what half of these things are at this point, but that's fine. What we're looking for is a console app. Now you can use these filter box at the top, or you can search. So like if I literally type console in this box up here, then I should start to get a lot of different results for that word that I want. Or if I come in here and select, well, I'm working in C# and I know I want a Windows console, and you can literally choose console, you get two options. Now, if you did the pre-reading and you kind of read through that there's a difference between .NET Framework and .NET Core, then you understand why there's a reason that we have two different templates. This lesson or set of lessons is all focused on .NET Core, so we won't be doing anything specifically with .NET Framework, but you have to understand that there is a difference and you have to make sure that you're choosing the right one. So we're going to choose console app with .NET Core in the parentheses, and we're going to click next, and then it's going to ask us for a project name. Now, we're just making a first intro project, so I'm going to name it Hello World. And then you can choose a location of where you would like your work to be saved. Visual Studio has kind of a default location where it saves things, but you're welcome to change that. And then we're going to click Create. And so then Visual Studio behind the scenes is going to set that project up for us and then launch it so we can see what that looks like. It opened it in a different window for me. So let me pull it over here so you can see it. So that is the basics of getting started with a console application, .NET Core, in Visual Studio 19. And so as you progress, we're going to continue to work on these applications and kind of learn how to code inside of these console apps. But you're welcome to start as many projects as you want. If you want to, overwrite the project as we go, you can do that. But I always think that it's best to save your work so you can go back and review things that you've written in the past. So that way you also get practice starting a new application. So you can start a new console project, work along with me, or import my code, and then run that and kind of get familiar with the product as we go.